Why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. Hollow shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me